So we are going to solve this equation. It is an equation that is involving square roots. In our previous video, we said that equations of this type are solved by squaring both sides. And when we square both sides, it means that we are going to create an extra solution. Solving this, it means that we are going to square both sides. It means we are going to square here, and we square this as well. Squaring both sides, this is like a minus b squared. So it means that is going to give us that squared. This squared is going to give us x plus 2 minus 2ab, so minus 2 times x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 plus this squared, which is 2x minus 3, that is going to be equal to this squared, and that is going to give us 9 into x minus 5. So we collect like terms. We add this to that term, and adding this to that term is going to become 3x minus 1, then minus this, minus 2 under the square root of x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 should be giving us, now this is going to become 9 times 3 is 27x, then 9 times negative 5 will give us minus 45. It moves to that side of the equation, so that we remain with only the square root term this way. So this way it remains as negative 2 into x plus 2 into 2x plus 3 is going to give us, now 27 minus 3x is going to give us 24x. Then negative 5 plus 1 is going to give us minus 44. Now again, to eliminate this square root sign, we square both sides. When we square both sides, it means this is squared and that is also squared. When you square both sides, we are going to end up with 4 into x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 is going to give us, squaring both that side is going to give us 576 x squared minus 2112x plus 1936. So this becomes, when we expand that 4 into this times that is 2x squared plus this times that plus this times that is going to give us plus x. Then 2 times negative 3 is going to give us negative 6. Is supposed to be equal to 576 x squared minus 2112x plus 1936. So when we open brackets, 4 times 2 is going to give us 8x squared plus 4 times x, that is going to give us 4x. 4 times negative 6 is going to give us minus 24. Should be equal to 576 x squared minus 2112x plus 936. So we formulate one quadratic equation from all this. So we merge this 576 and that 8x squared minus 576x squared is going to give us minus 568x squared. Then 4x plus 2112x is going to give us plus 2116x. Then negative 24 minus 1936, because this we are putting it this side, is going to give us minus 1960, and that is going to be equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. that we have formulated. So we solve for that quadratic equation, we get the values of x. So if we are to use what we call the bulldozer method, the values of x is going to be minus 2, 1, 1, 6 plus or minus 2, 1, 1, 6 squared minus 4ab, 4 times our value of a, which is minus 5, 6, 8, 1960, divide all that by 2, multiply that by negative 5, 6, 8. So in there, our value of x with either going to be 245 over 142, or it's going to be 2. So now here, after getting our values of x, it's either this or that. So we test for our values of x. When we put this figure in, our values of x, when we put 2 in our expression to see whether it is correct, we find that on the left hand side it's going to give us 1, on the right hand side it's going to give us 3. So this is not a solution. But when we test by putting in this figure 245 over 142, then it means this value of x is going to be consistent with our equation. So this is correct. So it means that our value of x there is 245 over 142. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. For more of these videos, simply subscribe to Kisembo Academy. For Kisembo Academy, this is Arnold Ranga Kuramia.